Margaritas have been around for decades, and they traditionally consist of tequila, orange liqueur, and lime juice. We've changed up the classic recipe in a delightful way, adding fresh, ripe watermelon for one of the best margaritas you'll ever have. Grab a small, ripe melon for the sweet elixir hidden inside. You don't need a special device to juice your watermelon, just your trusty blender. Lime juice around the rims of 2 margarita glasses helps the salt adhere to the edge. An easy way to do this is to put your lime juice on a small plate and dip your glasses in the juice. Next, dip the limed glasses in sea salt, ensuring it completely covers the top of each rim. Next, combine some of the watermelon juice with lime juice, tequila, and a handful of ice in your cocktail shaker. Shake vigorously to combine. Having a rousing soundtrack in the background might help a bit here. And strain the liquid in one of your prepared margarita glasses. Watermelon is one of the best fruits in summertime, which makes it an easy choice for a margarita. Whether you're whipping up ritas for your summer backyard party or taking them down the street for a block party, these refreshing cocktails will be a hit wherever you take them.